In this video, let's talk about how to fix Telegram cannot start secret chat. Now, in this case, the first thing that you need to do is verify your device. Secret chats do not work on a Telegram desktop or on a web browser as well. So the only way that you could enable desktop secret chat is within the app version or the mobile app version of the Telegram. So make sure that you keep that in mind. Secondly, if the contact is currently offline or has blocked you, or maybe even has deleted their account, the option of creating a secret chat would be grayed out. Now, if these are not the cases for you, then what you need to do is try to fix the date and time sync. So the date and time sync within your device may not have been working or may not have been set to automatic. So make sure you go ahead and do that quickly as well. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you in this situation, what you could do is just reinstall the application of Telegram onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's the way on how you can do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.